Hey guys, welcome! In this video I have my pleasure to invite you all to the initial pro bono session of the hands-on workshop course called Mastering Governance, Legislature. My name is Mike Anani. I'm a solution architect in the field of digital economy and governance. Being a part of Aragon Network, I was able to identify several problems that we are facing right now. Lack of knowledge and guides on how to decentralize a network organization without sacrificing effectivity of governance, lack of standardization of cross-guild interactions, and unclear governance culture and objectives. These problems actually are not new. Check this out. Life under the rule of the king taught the colonists to fear absolute control, whereas life under the Charter of the Articles of Confederation taught the founders that a central government must have certain powers and authority to be able to govern properly. Faced with these two opposing positions, the U.S. founding fathers undertook the creation of the United States Constitution. To solve our problems, we also need to create and maintain a socio-political process of collective agreement that is called legislature. To make this process inclusive and agile, I am designing a course of workshops in a format of open space technology to be able to include a large number of participants and support parallel work on several issues simultaneously. Great benefit of using open space technology is related to the main objective of the governance, to react to external and internal events as soon as possible, taking into account complexity of the topic, diversity of needed expertise, conflict nature of the issues, and urgency of the resolution. In order to cultivate proper culture of the political dialogue, the open space technology was modified as a set of repeatable sessions, enabling debate-based reputation model, building competency over the participants to structure clear and logical statements as a response to questions and issues. The structure of the workshop sessions is following. Initially, we will start from the topic of charter updates, and we will use Discord channel and a Miro board as Agora, public space. Next, we gather for initial general circle meeting in a Zoom for 90 minutes for presenting the topic, methodology, and constructing questions and statements to address. Then we create subject circles for each question and statement chosen by participants for working in groups in a Discord threads and Miro board during 1 week. Using the rule of 2 feet, we will enable cross-pollination of the subject circles and free flow of information. In order to standardize outcomes, all the results will be submitted via Google Forms and aggregated in a Google document. After working in groups, we gather for general circle meeting in Discord for 90 minutes to present results from a Google document for counter-argumentation or approval, distribution of points for the most clear and logical argumentation. Approved results will be published in a forum section Legislature Resolutions for final argumentation and voting. Then we will repeat subject circles until all the raised questions statements are solved and approved. The beauty of this course is that the procedure naturally transforms into legislature sub-DAO with a voting power constructed from the reputation distributed during general circles for the most clear and logical statements. It allows the creation of parliamentary system that will generate policies and guidance used for regulation of the Aragon Network DAO. It also can use delegate voting to make it really looks like proper government. If you have any questions or suggestions, please visit the forum topic where I also include context and reasoning behind this solution. If you are ready to join the session, please leave your time preference in Doodle and give this forum post a like. And let's define how we will govern better together. Thank you.